This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look at Litecoin, and this is for May 17th, 2019. We can see here down for the day about 10% after a nice showing by the cryptos over the last couple of weeks. So we're talking about this recent area here where we are seeing this pullback. I want to discuss where that could be coming from, and again, this is the daily. First thing we see here is this is uniform action above 69.1 and back below it as a side note. But the reason for this video is there is another way to look at this. If you take a look at the recent highs, so take a look at these highs here, there's a way we can arrive at that level by connecting the previous lows on the daily RSI, connected like that. And without any type of adjustment, we can see that we touch the lows here, and then we touch these lows here. We break below the lows, and of course you can see where I'm getting at with this. Come close here, there's some rejection of some type of the highs here, and we can see that over the last couple of days we tagged the back test of that line, and now we are pulling back. Now we can see something similar on a previous high, so go back to these highs on the daily, coming off the highs here before we see this shallow pullback. If we go to the weekly, we can see where we got these short-term highs here. So go to the weekly, and this is all data weekly as seen by Coinbase exchange. And what we can do here is again draw our back test line. Should be something like that. You can see how it connects nicely with the lows here of the RSI on the weekly, and this area here we get a break below that level of the highs here. We come close, back test failure in that area, and now at the highs here, this is where we tag this and we were rejected. Now the question becomes, what about now? Now I'm going to propose a line that's going to be a challenge for some of you just because of how I'm going to draw it. This line connects the previous lows, connecting these lows here, and there's a little bit of a low right there. What I'm going to do is extend that line. It should be something like that. And what this line gives us is an interesting perspective. We have uniform activity above the blue line and back below it for these highs. We have uniform activity above the line and back below it for these highs. And now it looks like this might also be uniform activity. If it goes on to reverse around current levels, this would be confirming RSI backtest failure. And what that would be suggesting in the short term, it is pointing to the possibility of prices leaning lower. Alright, that's how you can use the RSI backtest as part of your regiment when looking at any type of trading instrument. This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESS.